okay.
Yeah, it's sorry. Ano ba hindi ko makalimutan? Oh, there was this one scene na scene ni Joao, and I didn't know na rinig ako. I was in the shower, nag-shower ako na kasi good morning. Tapos kumakanta ako, ang lakas ng boses ko. To the point na may kumatok na parang, quiet please.
She was not aware.
Hindi ko alam, akala ko dirinig kasi nasa second floor ako, sa first floor sila nag-take ng scene. Tapos nagtugtog ako doon, feel ko yung hot shower doon.
Concert siya sa...
Concert talaga, tapos biglang, ano ba yun, nasa chorus natin may kumatok. Lina, quiet down daw po.
May free concert.
Yeah.
It's wish.
Na-enjoy ko yung food.
Gusto, yun talaga mas memorable sa'yo. Okay.
Ang sarap ng food sa prod, no?
Sobrang spoiled.
Yeah, no, that's true. I felt that we were taken care of at talagang spoiled kami dito. So, maraming salamat
Well,
sa inyo.
yeah.
Pero, ano pa ba?
I feel friends.
Oh.
Yeah.
True.
Friends.
You met.
Yeah.
Everyone here. Even
Yeah.
the staff in the front.
May mga nag-open up na.
Totoo.
Nag-share na
At
sa
least
akin.
masaya na siya ngayon.
Yes.
May nanonood doon. Tsaka for me, yung ano din, birthday surprise nila for me. Yeah, kasi parang akala ko magte-take na. Tapos biglang, happy birthday. Kasi nag-1 to 3 action na si Direk. Tapos biglang, happy birthday. It's like everyone was like entering the frame.
Yeah.
It was fun. And then, what else? I think yung memorable din sa akin for me, yung tayo lima. Yung sa table.
Yes.
Grabe,
Oh
ang
my
dami
gosh.
nangyari talaga. It was such a long scene. And it was the last scene kasi na tinag namin.
On that day.
Namin
On that day.
So,
Kaya makita niyo yung book namin nun.
oo, like yung continuity.
Wala.
na talaga. Nag-give
Kanyang
up na
palat
yung air.
namin.
Yeah, and then for me also, top one is the whole breakdown scene ni Bianca. Super heavy talaga for me. Like even after mag-cut, like dala ko pa rin yung emotions. Yeah, so yeah.
Also, may scene kami ni Joao na habang nagla-line kami, umaalon yung tubig sa amin.
Oo. Kinahag yung cameraman
Tapos
natin.
yung camera,
Kasi baka mabasa.
kasi yung cameraman sobrang basang-basa.
That was fun.
Kasi kung sobrang basang-basa na talaga siya, tapos magkayakap sila dalawa para hindi
After the
Oh my
film.
gosh.
Matandaan ka, memorable ka sa kanya.
Yeah. Even sa slow-mo scene ko, siya yung camera. I was like,
Yung ganun ba yan?
ngiti-ngiti siya.
Ganun yung technique na
It's so
hindi pa rin
fun,
siya.
no? Hangin pa. Anyways, love you, kuya.
Congrats!
Likewise po.
Ayan, or meron naman kayo, of course, speaking of scenes, meaningful or parang challenging na scene na ginawa ninyo?
Nasabi ko lang sa akin.
Same thing.
Breakdown
I think mine
talaga.
was this one. Live.
And live singing, for me, for sure.
Oo.
Ang hirap eh.
But you
kasi-
did well. You did really well.
Thank
did really
you.
well.
Lalo na kapag heavy.
Mhm.
Pag happy was okay pa na.
Ah.
More challenging.
Yeah.
I had fun. Feel very, very
What
good.
about the rest? Kayo.
Scene.
Wala daw challenge kay Sean. Madali
Piece
lang.
of
to eh.
cake lang kay Sean, lahat ng excitement.
Hindi. I mean,
No acting needed daw si
Oh,
May mga-
nandali sa charm niya.
may mga ibang scenes na kailangan mong ng pacing. Like yung blockings, kailangan mo yung block at on point. So, doon ako nahirapan din. May challenge siya, may challenge.
Ako,
Kayo.
siguro yung yung nagkaroon ng confrontation sa inyo. So ako, ano ba, matatawa ba ako?
Ano naman na character mo, no?
Wala dapat akong sasabihin nun, di ba?
Oo.
Pagtayo ko, order na po ba ako?
Actually, icebreaker yan ang ikip lang.
Gugutom na ako.
Parang kayo, nagkakagulo. Ano sasabihin ko?
Cute.
Siguro kasi yung one of the characteristics of Vanji is bubbly talaga siya, happy. Kumbaga sobrang light lang ng character niya. And ako, as someone who's been trying her best sa acting career niya, lagi kasi napupunta sa aking role, antagonist. Mataharay, masama ugali, ganito, ganyan. So parang I need to remove that na nakasanayan ko. And now I have to be like, hi! Hello! What's your name? Parang hindi ko siya branding, pero alam yung ganong feeling. Pero at the same time, sobrang saya ko gawin si Vanji.
Ayun. Of course, it shows how versatile you are, no? Na lumabas kayo sa comfort zone, sa mga usual na roles. Ayan. Again, congratulations sa inyo. And ito na. What message from Wish Date Love Tales do you hope viewers will carry with them?
Yan na.
Yan
Ano?
na.
Chat GPT ko na.
I'll go first.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Lyndon.
Hindi, para sa akin, I guess one is to try to be more understanding with your other partner. Yung importante. Kasi there are times na we forget that they're also going through something, di na ikaw. So try to be more empathetic. Ganun. And then, I think for me, this one might be the main one for me, is to not take advantage. Don't take the other person's love for granted. Because one day you might regret it when it's gone.
I actually agree with Joel. I think one of the lines of Banji that I will not forget, or I will never forget, is parang yung sinabi niya kay Bianca na love, no matter how great, if it's absent, it means nothing but pain. As someone na may abandonment issues. No, because it's so, I've experienced it being abandoned, and it hurts. It's so hard to, to get back where you are, to try to start all over again, because you're gonna start questioning yourself, you're gonna start questioning your worth. So might as well have the courage to speak what you truly want towards another person. Let's not waste each other's time, and at the same time, there's nothing wrong with honesty and transparency. If you want that person, say it, because you don't know what tomorrow brings. You don't know if you still have the chance to do it, or you still have the chance to express your feelings. So might as well just be honest with your feelings or your emotions, and at the same time, don't abandon people. If you don't like them anymore, tell it straight to their faces. Thank you.
Lesson from Vanji, grabe. Paano ko susundan ngayon yan? Parang medyo may pag-red flag kasi si Bianca dito parang, ay, okay, sige po. Pero I think for me, for the viewers, I think yung matutunan nila from Bianca is panindigan mo yung decision mo. Kasi, yun nga, kahit na alam mo sa sarili mo na mahal ka din ng taong mahal mo, parang as time goes by, syempre, you both are changing. Hindi naman kayo nagsistay the same forever. So, it's important to know din na your decision was affected also your partner. So, parang don't expect lang din na everything's the same when you come back. So, panindigan mo yung decision mo and accept what's actually happening.
Wanna go first?
Hindi lang sasabihin.
Short and sweet.
Kailan magka-crush na boss? Know your position.
Oh, boss.
Bossing!
Siguro, na-pick up ko sa buong film na to ay before entering a new relationship, make sure na move on ka na.
Yun!
That's a good one. That's a good simple one. That's a good simple one. That's a good one.
It is.
That's a good simple one.
Napahawak ka.
Kasi dapat ganun talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi
Oo, totoo
kawawa
yan.
yung bagong
Exactly.
magiging ka-relationship mo.
Yeah.
Yep.
Totoo talaga.
Dapat
Totoo yan.
Dapat wala nang
Diba?
unfinished businesses,
Dapat
diba?
yun ka.
Yeah.
Papasok sa
Yeah,
isang
totoo yun,
relationship. Like,
Ay,
I'm just
Lyndon,
playing the
totoo
character
yun,
of
ah.
Bianca, okay? It doesn't mean na
Ah.
completely agree with me.
Lyndon na totoo yun.
Bianca's decision.
Lyndon, bante ka lang naman.
At bago sila mag-away-away, mag-move on na tayo sa ating, ito na yung last question. Yung sinong pipiliin mo? Ang taong mahal mo o mahal ka? Sige. Sino gusto
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick someone na mahal ako.
Okay.
Kasi I don't just let or allow anyone to love me. Kumbaga, if somebody loves me, that means that I actually love them because I allow them to love me.
Copy paste.
Plus one.
Mahal ko o mahal ako? Siguro, I owe it to myself to be in a situation na kaya ko nang magmahal ng tao. Nang kahit anong mangyari, I'm ready to accept it. So, mahal ko.
Mahal ko.
Mahal ako.
Bakit? Mahal ako. I mean, syempre natututunan mo rin naman mahalin yung tao na yun. Pag nakita mo na yung good side niya, lahat ng maganda. Ba't natatawa ka? Hindi ka naniniwala sa
naniniwala ko, pero parang
Hoy, ang lalaki ang nanliligaw sa babae, natututunan namin kayong mahalin.
Hindi natin, parang feeling ko relatable lang. So,
Pero yun, gusto ko yung mahal ako para lang kung pure yung intentions niya sa akin. Ano doon mo rin matututunan mahalin yung tao.
Ayun.
Sa akin, ako naman, mahal ko kasi alam ko na at least I've given my love, my 100% to her. At sana naramdaman yun. Sana naramdaman niya yun. Sana naramdaman niya yun. At the same time, ganun na yun. Like, cause I feel like it's hard if kung ako na yung mahal eh. Kasi paano kung hindi naman sa akin totoo? Nabulol na ako eh. So mahal ko.
Mahal ko. Okay. Sige, and last one. Yun.
Ano bang hirap ng tanong na to? Siguro both na lang. Mahal mo at mahal ko.
Syempre.
Siyempre
Pero
kasi yung mahalin
isa
mo,
lang
mahal din
kasi.
ako.
Normal na question.
Syempre, kapag kasama yun sa choices, lahat tayo pipiliin mo.
Oo, totoo.
Dapat isa lang.
Kasi tayo magmamahal ng hindi ka mahal.
Sige, na lang. Mahal ako. Kasi ayoko yung pilit yung sarili ko sa mahal ko na hindi ka naman mamahalin. Baka mag-end up lang na hindi maganda. Ako maintindihan akong tao. Madali akong magmahal pag may nagmamahal naman sa akin. So, pipiliin ko lang yung mahal ako.
Ayun.
Pwede ba sagot mahal yung wallet?
O iba na yan.
Ay,